Hey everyone, it's Kim, Angel Dream Crafts, and I just wanted to come on and do a quick update about my 5,000 subscriber giveaway. I haven't forgotten, don't worry. Just life has kind of been very busy, and I'm going to do it this coming weekend. And so stay tuned for that. I just wanted to come on and let you guys know that that was going to happen this weekend. I've got to print off all the comments and then double check the VRs that people did, because quite a few did, and thank you very much for that. And I had well over 100 comments as well, so I just cannot thank you enough for all your kindness and your support for me as my channel grows. And I will be doing the drawing very soon, and when I draw the winner, I will also be making as well a custom piece for the winner. They will receive the fabric book that I showed in the original video, and I will also be making a custom piece for the winner as well. So I'm very excited about it, and I hope you guys are too. So stay tuned for that this coming weekend, and I will be back with another video very shortly. Thank you, everyone. Bye.